Hey folks, Aki here from ShinyKings, and this ride behind me is my Harley straight of a long ride through Texas. Like most riders, I love the ride, but hey, I hate the cleanup. Buckets, hoses, scrubbing, and half a Sunday, nah, not my thing. That's why I created Wash&Shine 66, the original waterless bike wash. That's fast, brings out a deep shine, and most importantly, doesn't scratch. And I'm not the only one saying that. Tens of thousands of riders around the world use it, and we've got over 1,000 real reviews on Amazon and our shop to back it up. So going from this dusty and road grimed to this is just a matter of some sprays and wipes. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Won't this scratch the paint if you don't rinse it first? Great question, but no. Our Super Glide foam formula encapsulates dirt so it lifts and glides off safely without grinding into the paint. So no hoses, no buckets, and best of all, no scratches. Click below to grab your Wash&Shine set now and ride clean the smart way. And to all our riding brothers and sisters out there, ride safe and see you on the open roads.